Today again we are going to continue with first chapter of chemistry, that is matter in our surrounding. Earlier we studied the three states of matter and their properties, that is solid, liquid and gas. Now about the properties of gases we have discussed earlier. Gases neither have definite shape nor definite volume. Gases have maximum fluidity. Gases are highly compressible. For this we can do one activity. We can take 3 syringes and we can block the end of the syringe with the help of rubber cord, and in 3 of them we can remove the piston. We can take one empty, and in second we can take water, and in third we can take chalk powder and again apply the piston by applying the Vaseline around them, and then we move the piston. We will see that the piston in the A, it will move maximum. In liquid it moves somewhat, whereas in solid it is not able to move. So it means that air is maximum compressible, then liquid are almost incompressible and solids are incompressible. Then gases have low density. The kinetic energy of the particle in gaseous state is quite high. Gases exert pressure. If we take the gas in closed container, the particles, they strike continuously each other and also on the wall of the container, so they exert a pressure. Like in a closed container, we open it, so almost the gas, it comes out with a pressure. And last is gases diffuse very rapidly, means they mix with each other fastly. Now two other more states of matter are plasma. Plasma, the state consists of super energetic and super excited particles. These particles are in the form of ionized gases. How the particles they get ionized? When we take the gas in the closed container and we pass the electricity through it, then the particles they become ionized, right? Like in the fluorescent tube and in neon sign bulbs, we take helium or neon gas, and when we pass the electricity, the particles they get ionized and they start to glow, right? And they contain the plasma. Okay. And the last state of matter is Bose-Einstein condensate. In 1920, Satyendra Nath Bose had some calculation on fifth state of matter, and based on his calculation, Albert Einstein predicted the new state of matter in which gases having low density is cooled to super low temperature. Then we get the fifth state of matter, that is Bose-Einstein condensate. Right? So we have discussed the 5 states of matter. Now we come to the question answer.